Buy one, Skippy. Buy one.
Place to make it up.
Skippy, you're not getting the shirt now. Not.
Wouldn't it be funny if they started playing Megadeth? Wouldn't that be some shit?
Bruce, auxiliary. The auxiliary.
What auxiliary?
I don't know.
I have 6 of them. And what's in it? What do you mean?
The MP3 player.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's on.
Turn it up.
It's up there.
It's up here.
Must be your wonderful MP3. I can't hear it.
Go.
Yeah.
1, 2.
All right. I don't know.
Boy, this goes back 10 years.
Does it ever? 10 years, 10 years, man. 10 wasted years. Well, they're figuring that out.
30 years since this fucker came out.
You're right. I'd like to take a minute to thank all of our families and friends and all of our fans and all of you guys for coming out tonight to support us on our final endeavor. This is full circle for us, 10 years. We did Power Slave Tour 10 years ago to celebrate 20, and we're doing it again for 30.
I'm not getting any single from you.
So, at the end of the day, well, I thank Sue. I thank Sue, Skip. I said my family.
What's your level like on whatever that thing is? Just keep cranking it on.
Well, he suffers some technical difficulties. If we tour much longer, we'll be touring as almost as long as them. So.
I'm actually getting feedback off it. I'm just cranking it so much.
What you cranking, Bruce?
It's a MP3. What else can I say? Never meant to be heard.
I'll skip it. Alright, this song really needs no introduction. I'm sure all of you guys know it. Let's go! As I left alone, my mind was blank. I needed time to think to get the livers from my mind. What did I see? Like what I saw last night was really not just fantasy. Just what I saw with my whole dreams. Well, they reflections of my whole life staring back at me. 'Cause in my dream, it's always there. The evil lights I trace my mind and brings me to despair. and me.